Hi, this is Visha. Welcome back to my channel. So in the last video, I shared a step-by-step guide to start your own YouTube channel. And this video is going to be a continuation of those steps because what you need to do next is to grow your channel from 0 to 1000 subscribers because that is one of the eligibility criteria to monetize your channel. Now about monetization, I will talk in detail during the course of this video, and I know 1000 can seem like a far-fetched dream, especially if you've just started out, but just keep creating, keep posting, and most importantly, keep watching this video because just the fact that you're taking the efforts to watch such videos tells me you're going to get there super soon. Well, after starting your channel, identifying your niche, getting comfortable in front of the camera and creating content, the next step would be to start posting consistently. Posting at least twice a week is the best practice on YouTube. Well, there is absolutely no such thumb rule. You can do daily vlogs or you can even post once a week. Now it also depends on the kind of videos you're making or how much time you have, whether you're doing it full time. And I personally believe that especially in the initial few days, your focus should be mainly on developing your video making and your video editing skills rather than just jumping into that race of posting one video after another right away. Like in my case, if I feel I need 2 more days to make my video a little better as per my satisfaction, I would take those 2 days. But I would never compromise on the quality just for the sake of being consistent. The next step is to spread the word and reach out to people, and for that you need to leverage various social media platforms like Instagram, WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, a blog if you have one, or basically any other place where you think you can get eyeballs for your YouTube video. Another important point to this is T and D. Title, thumbnail and description. Now no matter how good your content is, it's not gonna work if it doesn't rank well in the search results or if it's not discoverable. Your title should contain keywords that people are actually searching for. For this, I use 2 tools. One is TubeBuddy and second is Google Trends. And I would highly recommend TubeBuddy for anybody who is starting out. They have a free and a paid version. The free version has certain limitations, but it still works well. I still use it. It's simply an extension to your browser and it will tell you which keyword is the best or is working the best. Like here when I type how to start your YouTube channel, TubeBuddy tells me that even though a lot of people search for it, but there are already a lot of existing videos where these keywords, where these words are used, and so it tells me that it's a poor choice of keyword. Now if I mold it to how to start your YouTube channel in 2020. The search results shows fair because if you talk about 2020 in particular, there are not as many videos existing. And if I mold it further to how to start your YouTube channel in 2020 for beginners, it tells me that it's an excellent choice of keywords because a lot of people are searching for it and the words 2020 and beginners aren't used in a lot of videos. So now I know the word beginner absolutely needs to come in the title as well as in the description. Description has, I think, a limit of 5000 words, so please don't underestimate it. Now, if I search this on YouTube, let's see the description of the top ranked videos. So if you look closely, the words how to start YouTube channel, 2020, beginners, all of that is appearing right in the first line of the description, and that's how it ranks well in the search results. And thumbnail, of course. Unless your thumbnail gives proper clarity of what the video is going to be about, nobody is going to click on that thumbnail unless it's visually appealing enough. So I think you should invest a considerable time on preparing your thumbnail. I do that using the free software Canva. There are other softwares like PicMonkey, Photoshop of course. Next step is to pay close attention to your analytics and to this step, because once you're done posting and everything, now is the time to check how people are reacting to your videos so that you can improve in your future videos. Views and number of subscribers matter the most on YouTube. Well, the real benchmark is your watch time. To substantiate this, let me tell you the monetization policy now. So 2018 में YouTube की एक नई monetization policy आई थी कि आपका channel monetize करने के लिए आपको 2 criteria meet करने होंगे. पहला 1000 subscriber mark और दूसरा 4000 hours of watch time collectively in all your videos in the first year of launching your channel. पर इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि वॉच टाइम को बढ़ाने के लिए आप लंबे वीडियोस अननेसेसरली ड्रैग करते हुए बनाने लगेंगे। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अगर कोई वीडियो है जो 5 मिनट में इजीली बन सकता है, लेकिन वॉच टाइम बढ़ाने के लिए आपने 10 मिनट में बनाया एंड लोग वो वीडियो खोलेंगे बट 2-3 मिनट में ड्रॉप आउट कर जाएंगे, एंड दैट इज नॉट अ गुड इंडिकेशन टू यूट्यूब। सो इट विल बी बेटर कि यार आप उसको 5 मिनट में ही रखो, सो दैट एटलीस्ट पीपल पूरा वीडियो देखें एंड देन योर वॉच टाइम विल बी 5 minutes instead of those 2-3 minutes in the other case. Coming back to analytics, आपके analytics में आपको सब कुछ मिल जाएगा that you need to know to improve demographic information, where your audience is watching from, where your audience is dropping out in the video, which video is performing better in the first few hours of publishing it. Every kind of detail you'll find in the analytics. So I repeat, please do not ignore it and check it frequently, maybe once a week, if not twice. Now the next few steps are pretty generic yet very, very important. The first one is to have patience. Alright, that is it for this video. Do subscribe to my channel and I'll see you next time. Bye. Got only 100 subscribers. Tomorrow's gonna be better. Oh my god, we just reached 1 million subscribers. Thank you so much everyone. Thank you so much for the support. Oh, come on. Yes. YouTube is not an overnight game and there's a lot of patience involved. Of course, there are exceptions to this. I've seen creators who've made it big with just their 20 videos, and on the other hand, there are creators who have to wait like for 100 or 200 videos to finally make it work for them. Because along with content, there's one more thing that works on YouTube, and that is the YouTube algorithm, which till date nobody has been able to crack. So you really don't know when is it gonna work for you. Which is why I was emphasizing on starting for a reason that you're well prepared for. It's absolutely okay if you want to start even for fame or for money, provided you are ready to wait and ready to be spending more than you'll be earning in the beginning, especially if you're into travel. And so if you really want to do this in the long run, you will have to be patient, and that is something that even I am still learning. The next point is to provide value. Now your audience is spending a considerable amount of their time watching your videos, so it's important that you provide them some value. It doesn't mean that it necessarily have to be educational. It can be educational, informative, entertaining, or a mix of all of these. But yeah, make sure that your audience does take away something or the other from your video. And now the last step, and probably the most difficult step, do not compare yourself with others. Now I know there are so many creators out there on YouTube, and watching their videos is great. In fact, it's important to seek inspiration, to see what's working and all of that. But at the same time, you don't know their real behind the scenes, you don't know their efforts, you don't know their story, and so you can't really compare yourself with them and with their growth. Now I know it's very easy said than done. We all do that at times. But maybe what we can do is pay close attention to what is working for them, take inspiration, and probably take actions accordingly. So that is it for this video. Do let me know in the comments which niche you would love to enter into, or which niche is it that you already have a channel around. I would personally love to check out your channels, and not just that, I would in fact love it if you could get some audience from here, which actually brings me to a tip that I missed mentioning earlier, and that is to engage on other people's videos, especially if they belong to the same niche as yours, because you can find a lot of your target audience there. Like this video if you found it helpful, subscribe to my channel, press that bell icon, and I'll catch you next time. Bye!